Good morning, children. This is the fourth lesson, EVS water sources. WATER water, SOURCES sources. Water sources. Already I explained you this lesson, children. I hope you all understood. Now we are going to read this lesson. We need we need WATER water to TO2 DO2 MANY many THINGS things. We need water to do many things every day. EVERYDAY day. We need water to do many things every day. We must not waste water. WEVMUST must, NOT not, WASTE waste, WATER water. We must not waste water. Okay. Sources of water. SOURCES. Sources you have to underline, children. SOURCES. Sources of 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 WATER. Sources of water. We get water from different places. WEVGET get, WATER water, FROM from, DIFFERENT different, PLACES places. We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. THESE, these, ARER, CALLED called SOURCES, sources of WATER water. We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. What are the sources of water? We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. What are called sources of water? We get water from different places. These are called sources of water. When, WHEN, when it rains, 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 rainwater, RAIN, rain, WATER, water, rain, water you have to underline. When it rains, rainwater fills, 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 lakes, LAKES, lakes you have to underline, TANKS, tanks you have to underline, PONDS, ponds you have to underline. When it rains, rainwater fills lakes, tanks and ponds. LAKES, lakes, TANKS, tanks, AND and PONDS, ponds. When it rains, rainwater fills lakes, tanks and ponds. SOME, some of the rainwater also goes under the ground. SOME, some, OF of THE, the, RAINWATER, rainwater, also, 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 GOES, goes, UNDER, under, THE, the, GROUND, ground. Some of the rainwater also goes under the ground. This is called groundwater. You have to underline, children. GROUND, ground, WATER, water, groundwater. GROUND, ground, WATER, water, groundwater. UNDER, under also you have to underline. UNDER, under. Once again repeat, children. When it rains, rainwater fills lakes, tanks and ponds. Some of the rainwater also goes under the ground. This is called groundwater. LAKE, 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 POND, 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 WELL, 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 HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, hand pump, HAND, hand, PUMP, pump, hand pump, SPRING, 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 RIVER, 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 river. We dig, WEVDIG, dig, WELLS, wells. We dig wells to get, G-E-T, get, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, W-A-T-E-R, water. We dig wells to get groundwater. It can, I-T-E-C-A-N, can, it can also, A-L-S-O, also be brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought out, O-U-T, out, W-H-I-T-H, with, W-I-T-H, with the H-E-L-P, help of, H-A-N-D, hand, P-U-M-P-S, pumps, hand pumps. We dig wells to get groundwater. It can also be brought out with the help of hand pumps. In some places, in S-O-M-E, some P-L-A-C-S places, in some places, water gushes, G-U-S-H-E-S, gushes out from under the ground. In some places, water, G-U-S-H-E-S, you have to underline, children, gushes. Water gushes out from under the ground. These are called springs. T-H-E-S-E, these, A-R-E-R-C-A-L-L-E-D, called S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs. These are called springs. Water gushes like this, okay. Water gushes out from under the ground. These are called springs. We also get water from rivers. W-E-V-A-L-S-O, also, G-E-T, get, W-A-T-E, water, F-R-O-M, from R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. We also get water from rivers. When the ice on the top of the mountains. When the ice on the top of the mountain. Mountain you have to underline, children. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Melts, M-E-L-T-S, melts you have to underline. When the ice on the top of the mountain melts, it becomes water. I-T-B-E-C-O-M-E-S, becomes, W-A-T-E, water. It becomes water. This water flows, T-H as this, W-A-T-E, water, F-L-O-W-S, flows. This water flows down, D-O-W-N, down, as streams, S-T-R-E-A-M-S, streams you have to underline, children. Streams. This water flows down as streams. Small streams join to from a big river. S-M-A-L-L, small, S-T-R-E-A-M-S, streams, J-O-I-N, join, T-O-2, F-R-O-M, from a B-I-G, big, R-I-V-E-R, river. Small streams join to from a big river. Once again, repeat, children. We dig wells to get groundwater. We dig wells to get groundwater. It can also be brought out with the help of hand pumps. It can also be brought out with the help of hand pumps. In some places, water gushes out from under the ground. Water gushes out from under the ground. These are called springs. These are called springs. We also get water from rivers. We also get water from rivers. When the ice on the top of the mountains melts, it becomes water. When the ice on the top of the mountain melts, it becomes water. This water flows down as streams. This water flows down as streams. Small streams join to from a big river. Small streams join to from big rivers. Now, potable water, P-O-T-A-B-L-E, potable you have to underline, children. Potable water you have to underline. P-O-T-A-B-L-E, potable, W-A-T-E, water, potable water. Water that is safe for drinking is called potable. W-A-T-E, water, T-H-A-T, that, I-S is, S-A-F-E, safe, F-O-R for D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking, is CALLED called POTABLE portable. Water that is safe for drinking is called potable. Once again repeat children. Water that is safe for drinking is called potable. Potable water. POTABLEWATER potable water. Water that is safe for drinking is called potable water. Potable water has not dirt or germs. POTABLE potable WATER water has 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 no DIRT dirt or germs. Potable water has no dirt or germs. Germs you have to underline children. DIRT dirt also. We can make water fit for drinking by boiling and filtering it. WEVCAN can MAKE make WATER water FIT fit FOR for DRINKING drinking you have to underline. BY by BOILING boiling you have to underline children. BOILING boiling and filtering FILTERING filtering. We can make water fit for drinking by boiling and filtering it. Drinking water should be stored in a clean vessels with a lid. DRINKING drinking WATER water SHOULD should BEB. Drinking water should be stored 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 in a clean vessel. Vessel you have to underline. VESSL vessel with 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 a lid. Okay. Drinking water always should be stored in a clean vessel with a lid. Okay children. Now we are going to read hard words once again. SOURCES sources. SOURCES sources of 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 WATER water. Sources of water. SOURCES sources OF of WATER water. Sources of water. LAKE lake. LAKE lake. POND pond. POND pond. POND pond. POND pond. WELL well. WELL well. HANDPUMP pump hand pump. HANDPUMP hand pump. HANDPUMP hand pump. SPRING spring. SPRING spring. RIVER river. RIVER river. RIVER river. TANK tank. TANK tank. TANKS tanks. TANKS tanks. RAINWATER rainwater. RAINWATER rainwater. RAINWATER rainwater. Under UNDER under. UNDER under. UNDER under. GROUND ground. WATER water ground water. GROUND ground. WATER water ground water. GROUND ground. WATER ground water. GUSHES gushes. GUSHES gushes. GUSHES gushes. SPRINGS springs already over. Mountain. MOUNTAIN mountain. MOUNTAIN mountain. MOUNTAIN mountain. MELT melt. MELT melt. MELT melt. STREAMS streams. STREAMS streams. STREAMS streams. POTABLE portable. POTABLE portable. WATER water. Portable water. Potable, potable, water, potable water. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Germs, 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 germs. Drinking, drinking. Drinking, drinking. Drinking. Boiling, boiling. Boiling, boiling. Boiling. Filtering, filtering. 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 Vessel, vessel, vessel. Vessel, vessel. Vessel. Clean, clean. 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 Okay, children, all of you read this lesson, watch this video 3-4 times, read this lesson properly. After that, you have to write the whatever we underline the words, those words you have to write each 3 times. Okay, other than these words, which word you feels difficult, that words also you have to do underline and write 3 times. Okay, children, thank you, bye, have a nice day.